Cool, so thought I'd do a bit of a different video this time. Basically, I'm going to go through my weekend. Today is Saturday. I've been up since 8 o'clock, I think. 7:30, something like that. Just stopped in Matamata, got a feed. Now I'm off to Hampton Downs to fly some FPV around Mad Mike and a couple of other drift guys with Jackson from Flow State Media and Vaughn from Vaughn FPV. We just got here. Looks good. So our little spot's up here somewhere. Doesn't look like heaps of people here, but we got the boss himself. Whee! I'm gonna go find the dude whose bonnet that I accidentally bonked. I apologise, my man, I'm so sorry. Like a proper prick. Well, that's alright. As long as we're all good. Absolutely, mate. Well, that's it. We're done for the day. It is like 4 o'clock, so I think it's time to head off. But yeah, no, it's all a good day. Little crash. That's okay. The driver was all good with it. No drones down. A couple of sets of props. Can't complain. Oh, get inspected. Oh, the hands.
The hand trade.
Oh, good. See you later, bro. Oh, see you later. Good to meet you as well, man. Alright, bro. Oh. Well, it is a new day. Gonna go meet up at the structure with Jackson and Jamie, Cliff, and Charlie, another pilot. Just finishing up charging now. And then once we're all charged, we'll grab the family and jump in the car and head up there. Alright, well, we got to the spot. Structure, got the crew, got the fam, even better. So unfortunately I still got the scratch on my lens from yesterday from my little mishap. This is what this is what it looks like. Rough. I'll get a new lens on AliExpress or something.
Jackson.
Can you see me? Spot is kicking my ass this time. Alright, well the boys have left. They've gone down to Pap College already. I arrived a little bit late, so I decided that I would stay, get a couple more packs in, hopefully get a good clip,
because the only ones I got when the boys were here were rubbish. So fingers crossed I can get the old solo magic going. Busted prop, but more importantly, I'm missing the actual guard. Imagine if we just find it though. Now I'm here, I'm thinking this was a terrible decision. I'm not gonna find this. Mission fail, we'll get him next time, boys. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go meet up with the boys at Pap College now. They left a little while ago. I just wanted to get a couple more packs in because I arrived a bit late. Ended up losing my drone in the grass for a bit. That's the way it goes. Alright, we got to the spot. I haven't ridden this thing in years. I assume the boys are upstairs. This is usually the hangout spot. Are you off?
Later.
Charlie, Jackson,
The
disappearing.
end of a good weekend of flying for me too.
For you personally, for me not so much, but that's alright.
Alright, I'll leave it.
Later, man. See you later. See you later, man. Enjoy. Well, I got my trick, so I think we might call it there. Here he comes. What is the things? What is this? Oh, it was a secret, sorry. So yeah, let's have a squiz, eh? Oh dear. We go the whole way down here. I scratched up his car. Like a proper prick. I always feel a bit odd videoing myself, you know, especially when there's people around, but when there's no one here, it's a little bit different. I'm gonna take off, hover in front of the camera, and then look off. I can come over and turn it off. I don't know why I'm telling you this, because I'm the only one that looks at this footage. You're fucking weird, bruh. It's pretty good. We've nicknamed it the structure. It was to initiate. Make sure they know we're coming, so I'm not just obliterated by someone flying like shit. No, it's yeah, fork in the left. Yeah. Cliff, be the decider here.
I'm left-handed, so forks on the right.
Fuck. That sucks.
Suckers!